Welcome to the match. Like and subscribe for more chess excitement. This is a book move. The opening is called English opening.
Pawn to e5 is the best move.
Pawn to g3.
Knight to f6 is excellent. This develops a knight. Pawn to g6 is best.
Bishop to g2 is the best move.
Pawn to d5 is excellent. This offers a trade. This attacks the pawn. This move gains a tempo. Pawn to e6 is best.
Pawn captures on d5 is best. This is a trade.
Knight captures on d5 is best.
Knight to c3 is excellent. This offers a trade. This develops a knight. Pawn to d4 is best. This offers a trade. This attacks the pawn. This move gains a tempo.
Knight to c7 is excellent. This defends a rook on e8. Knight captures on c3 is best. This is a trade.
Pawn to d3 is excellent. Pawn to f4 is best.
Pawn to e5 is best.
Bishop to e3.
Bishop to e7 is the best move.
Bishop captures on c6 check is the best move.
Pawn captures on c6 is best.
Knight to f3 is excellent. This attacks the pawn. This develops a knight. This move gains tempo. Queen to f4 is best. This attacks the pawn. This pins a piece of the opponent to the king. This move gains a tempo.
Knight to d5.
Knight captures on e5.
Knight captures on e3 is good. This is a trade. This captures a higher value piece. Knight captures on c3 is best. This is a trade.
Pawn captures on e3 is good. Queen to f4 is best. This attacks the pawn. This pins a piece of the opponent to the king. This move gains a tempo.
Queen to c7 is good. This defends a pawn on c6. This attacks the knight. Bishop to d6 is best. This attacks the knight. This develops a bishop. This move gains the tempo.
Queen to f4.
Rook to b8 is inaccuracy. A chance to attack a knight with bd6 was missed. This permits the opponent to attack a piece. The opponent can play nx c6. Bishop to d6 is best. This defends a queen on c7. This attacks the knight. This develops a bishop.
Knight captures on c6 is best. This attacks the rook.
Rook captures on b2 is the best move.
Knight to e5 check is best. This creates a discover check whilst attacking a pawn.
King to d8 is the best move.
Knight to c4 is best. This defends a pawn and pawn on b12 and f3. This attacks the rook. This move gains a tempo.
Rook to b4 is best. This attacks the queen.
Queen to c2 is best.
Bishop to e6 is best. This develops a bishop.
Pawn to e4 is best.
Queen to b8.
Knight to d5 is best. This offers a trade. This attacks the rook.
Rook to b5.
Queen to c3 is excellent. Knight to f4 is best. This attacks the bishop. This move gains a tempo.
King to e8 is the best move.
Kingside castle is good. Knight captures on f6 is brilliant. This sacrifices the knight.
Pawn to h5 is inaccuracy. This permits the opponent to attack a piece. The opponent can win a tempo. The opponent can play rx f6. Bishop captures on d5 is best. This is a trade.
Rook captures on f6 is brilliant. This attacks the bishop. This move gains a tempo. This sacrifices the rook. Rook captures on f6 is brilliant. This attacks the bishop. This move gains a tempo. This sacrifices the rook.
Bishop captures on d5 is the best move.
Pawn captures on d5 is the best move.
Pawn to h4 is good. This offers a trade. Rook to g8 is best. This develops a rook.
Rook from violet to f1 is the best move.
Pawn captures on f6 is the best move.
Rook to e6. The game is over. White wins.